power still out for some in the heart of the downtown Colorado Springs area. It's been close to 36 hours now since an underground fire took out power to 280 utility customers tonight. 130 still don't have electricity. Bill Folsom got a chance to go underground where that vault was and where the fire occurred.
The burn zone and underground work site is in a vault right there, but there's also work happening down this direction. There are massive reels of wire down there because just a few feet of burn on this end can damage a whole length of wire.
Obviously our top priority.
An above-ground command and staging area for an underground work site. A day after a fire in this vault housing power infrastructure for downtown, Springs Utilities crews have a difficult repair job.
Not easily seen, so it does take us extra time to identify those faults and problems in order to make the appropriate repairs.
When electrical energized equipment is on fire, it poses additional hazard to not only the firefighters but to the community.
An electrical fire is in the special hazard category for the fire department.
While it's energized, water is a great conductor of electricity.
Fire bosses work with utility crews to determine what's still energized and then shut it down. As that happens, firefighters work to guard anything near the fire.
We have to look at our exposures. What is the infrastructure? What is the buildings? What is the community, the threat to others? And we have to protect those.
The map of the power outage area shows the reach of all the underground wiring. Crews have to determine what survived, what can be repaired, and what has to be replaced.
Making sure that we could still feed that wire through conduit or whether it needed to be replaced, and securing all that material.
Most of the burn damage stayed in the vault area, but one scorched end can require replacement of very long underground power lines.
It could be a 1,000-foot run that we need to replace to make sure that it is all working properly and that it can handle the load that we're going to be putting on it.
A strategy is mapped out above ground so crews working below can move quickly as possible to get power restored.
We'll be here working 24/7 until all of our customers are restored to power.
One thing to understand is when they're talking about restoring power to a customer in the downtown area, a customer can represent a whole building. So restoring to a customer can mean hundreds of people. In downtown, Bill Folsom, News 5.
Bill, thanks for the update.